Hey, Bonico? Huh? Oh, hello? Hey, bomoni makambo Zawadi azosala na TikTok. Akoti live, aolo bela komba mic. Yende nzambe. Batunde ba memaka kombo na na TikTok na ngang. Jamais na kota live tena lobela li komba mic. Jamais. Kasi soki bwana nde bolingi na bana kosala. Na koboma libala na bana kosala ngu. Boko sepela. Oh, Zawadi, iko live kunaongelea jina. Sawa, ndawabu nyumba juu niko na bangilia TikTok basi tuongelee jina Mike chaque jour. Si ndio? Junjo bemulienda mkinisemea bongo. Eh? Eh. Mm. Eh. Mm. Jamais mi siangeka live sina fungula live. Ati mina naanza ongelea jina. Batu nyipeke batu wa TikTok nyuma na kwa mnaanza leta pa jina mtu. Ile maneno ishapita. I don't even talk about it no more. It's you people. Because when you amalizaka, it's like you guys never got satisfied. Yeah? And you're always out here answering questioning. Ain't nobody want nobody. Ain't nobody want nobody. Shut the fuck up. Will, I say shut the fuck up. Mind your business. Ain't nobody want nobody. If I want somebody, I get them easily. But I never want nobody. They want me. I've never chased nobody. They chase me. I'm a woman of value, period. My finger, both finger, both here. Is there a sikate? Is there a sikate? But look at my finger, sika. Oh, is it could be? It's old. Huh? Is that old? Ndoki, ndumba, boiba kite, nazandumba, nazandoki, boiba kite. Eza histoire ya sikate. Bon luka, ma finger mosusu, bon luka ango. Nga vraiment nazana kanda ya mutu oya benga ki famille na nga. Aoloba n'importe quoi. Yango ya naza live. Na ye awa tepo na kombo ya mai kubie penielle no. Naza awa tepo na wana. Naza awa po na ndoki. Ya mama ubie mobali oyo abenga ki famille na nga aoloba ki nga na kota ki live. Live oyo eza po na bino. Bo kipe ya bino. Bo kipe bana na bino. Mibani na bino. Ko kipe ya ngate. Eko futa yo eloko moko te. Haita balipia nyumba. Jina Zawadi haita bafanya kitu. Bokene bolala, pardon. Bokene bolala. Hein? Vraiment? Yani nini unanishangaza sana. Donc boko sepela tu. Kama unakozua. Mama hii. Mbona mtanichoka nikisema sasa kabisa nigeuke Zawadi rouge. Zawadi te blessing Zawadi blessing. Nikisema nigeuke Zawadi blessing. Boko lapa. Pona kobala kokotelela bino live chaque jour. Kaka na kombo ya batu. Naomba wana nde bolingi eko sepelisa bino. Eko sepelisa bino soki na bandiko na tiki na at your age you should not have. Mama, at my age I shouldn't have what? How many kids? I got married at the age of 18. Exactly when I turned 18. Few months just before. In fact, it was 2 weeks after I turned 18, I got married. Okay? So I'm not one of those. I'm not one of those kids who gave birth at their mom's house. No. Babalanga, na bota ba na Asia. Donc, I started giving birth at the age of what? 20? Yeah. So don't tell me, oh, na âge na yo, il faut na bana de ceux qui combien t'es. naibi koloba te. Ngana zaka nanga mutu akoloba loba mingi te. Ngana zaka nanga mutu calme, happy always. Ngana zaka nanga très bien, tranquille. Ata un jour bo monanga lelo za mokolo ya liboso bo monanga na ye our life na ou bien na ofinga batu. Eza mokolo ya liboso pe asuka. Eza la asuka. Soki na zongi boko sepela te. Boko sepela te na makambo oyo na koloba boko sepela te. Soki bozangi misala ya kosala bovandi na ndako na bino bo benga batu bo kipe makambo nanga oh Zawadi asali boy. Zawadi akoti life aoloba boy. Soki wana nde bolingi problème te na kokoma oyo bolingi na koma. Bino ne boko sambwa. Nga deja na sambwa kala. Reputation nga ebeba kala. Et puis nazana I don't have any what is it called? Bani nitaka nini? Ata na Mswahili sijue that word. Yani njo haja yani nazana posa ya kuifix te. Oyoki. Soki na yambi batu bakopia nga kanda na oyamba lisusu batu te. I've got nothing to lose. Whatever I had to lose, I've already lost it. My reputation ekenda nango kaka pona vaseline. Reputation nga ebeba kaka pona vaseline. Deja ebeba. I have nothing to lose. Soki eza bana deja na bota. Soki eza libala deja na bala. Donc tikali kaka eza kana continue ko travail. Na sala ba projet na nga ya mise de nzambe te. Bebe projet na nga kaka life continue. I travel, I live my life. Misi kuna poketa ma request, pardon. Nasikia. Et puis batu oyo balobaka kinga na loba lokuta. Na lapa, na kufalelo. Makambo nyoso tu oyo na loba ya Mike. Ezaki lokuta te, ezaki vérité. Na oyo alingi, na tine la video, toza na mbetu tozo prier, bo ebisanga na kotina ango. Bo kende na Instagram, Zawadi enti, bo tine langa message. Bo nga na nyaka batu te, bo kome na Zawadi loba lokuta. Nga na loba lokuta te, nga na za mutu ba vérité. Wana nde defo na nga. Et puis za makambo e déjà l'écart. Mais soki bino bolingi bo mema bo zongi sa makambo. Problème sa tête o kende bongo. Boyoki. Soni na teka ango na Kongo na zaka na soni te soki na zaki na soni est-ce que il fallait na zwa courage wana wapi ya koya ko betela bino lisolo ya vaseline botuni na nga message na WhatsApp na Instagram so boy bisanga ke donc bana nzambe bakena ko sambela na mbetu na ba oyo bati balobaka kizada alobalo ko ngala lobalo kutape te et puis ata un jour boko mona ngate na ye awa ata ba pienga mbongo ube balobi ke Zawadi to kopesa yo contrat ya musique kende osala live ya koloba ke olobalo kuta ube osenga bolimbisi jamais wana boko mona ngote soki ya sala ki yango aza déjà bana bakenda donc aza na iloko te so il faut mikiti ça. Ok, mais ngala ko mikiti ça pas mutu te. Pona e po pesa nga nini? Musique ya nzambe na tika. Boyoki, botika ko tumbla. Yani muniache kunichokoza. Muniache kunichokoza. Vraiment botika nga nazaki na nga kimia, nazaki na nga bien. Bobandinga na ba téléphone na bino oyo ezanga mutu na makolo. Vraiment na lobi tufi na mutu oyo abengaki. Don't read comments. Boyoki. Ngana zaka mutu yakanda te na silika kana ngate. Batu oyo bayebi nga très bien ngana zaka mutu yakanda te na silika kana ngate. Mama na yo ndendoki, imbécile nyama. Boyoki. Ngana zaka na nga bien. Ngana zaka na nga bien. Yeah, honestly, some people are like, oh, Zawadi, she lied about this, about that. So are you trying to tell me the video of the evidence that I took? You're telling me that people go and pray in bed, yeah? At night, yeah? No, she ain't got no me shaking. I got no shit to lose from that man. I've got nothing to lose. She got so many to lose. She lost her kids. She lost so many things. Okay? So of course she had to submit herself. I've got nothing. Even though they present to me money, they present to me contracts about music. I'm not gonna literally like, I'm not gonna lay low and be like, okay, I'm gonna do what you guys want me to do. So, anyways, I'm not here about that. I'm happy that she did what she had to do. Cause me too. If I ever lost my kids to my baby daddy, I gotta do what I gotta do. Okay. So, like I was saying, and plus she's got a new book coming up. So of course she needs to promote that book. Okay, y'all stay tuned. So, anyways. And then some people, they're like out here like, oh, she's the one who sent her to do revenge. I don't know what. Excuse me, how much do you think she paid me to go and sleep with her man? Like, does that make sense? You Congolese people don't have bolongata, right? Like, am I a prostitute to go and sleep with someone's man just to get because the wife wants a revenge? Like, that don't make sense. Oh yeah, she did. I don't know what planet you live in. She has mentioned me before. So thanks for your information, bitch. So anyways, back to why I'm here, okay? Back to why I'm here. I am here because I had an asshole, a bitch-ass motherfucker, went and called my mom-in-law saying that yesterday I opened a live stream regarding Mike Kalambayi, which I did not. It's people who brought up his name, okay? I have never, ever opened my TikTok and be like, okay, so today we're going to be talking about this person. Never. So these assholes, motherfuckers who have no job, no life, they don't mind their own goddamn business, they went ahead and called her. So she can do what? You know? So, I'm not a hypocrite. I will show you red and yellow of me. I show you my real me. I'm not gonna hide and come here and be like, so guys, I was not happy. To the whoever called, you know, my family to tell them that I was live. Yeah, Botica, it's not nice. I'm not that person. If I'm angry, you go know that I'm angry. If I'm happy, you will know I'm happy. You know? I don't come here and pretend. You know, I don't pretend. I don't do those stuff. No. I don't do that shit or pretend, yeah? No. If I'm angry, you will know I'm angry. If I'm happy, you will know.